In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Twitch app not responding. So if your Twitch app is not responding, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now to fix this error, first you need to ensure that you're not using any VPN app or any proxy app on your phone. If you have any VPN app turned on, turn it off or uninstall the app temporarily to fix this. But should this not work, then you want to go to settings. And from settings, look for apps. Under apps, look for this option called manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Twitch and open it. Here, go to for stop app and OK. Then clear data and clear all cache and finally clear all data. Now restart your smartphone, and now if you go to your Twitch app, now it should be responding without any issue. But should this not work, then go to Google Play Store or App Store, search for your Twitch app. If you have any update, update it to the latest version, as this might be the reason you are experiencing this. Now at this moment, now everything should be up and running without any issue. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, let's meet in the next video.